Yo.
Okay, have you ever noticed that some days seem longer than others? This happens because the sun rises and sets at different times on different days. Some days seem longer because they have more hours of daylight than others. How did scientists figure this out? One way is to analyze data from past years. Okay, so normally during summer is when you have very, very, very long days. So the sun, at least here where I live, the sun will go down around 8:30 at night. So it's a very, very long day. I don't know in China. Do you know when the days are longer or when the sun goes down later?
So in sunny days, like Sunday, how do I add it? Summer, yes. Summer, the days are longer and the nights are shorter. And in winter, the days are short and the nights are very long.
Right.
Very
Okay.
short.
So it's like the same.
No, very long.
Very long. Okay, good. So let's see what they mean by analyze data here. So when you analyze data, you use information that has been gathered to answer questions or solve problems. It is easier to analyze data if it has been organized and placed on a chart or a graph. That way you can quickly see differences in the data. So this we have actually done before, right? When we're doing math problems and you have like those set problems with sentences that you have to answer. What do you do to solve those problems? Like when it asks you, Martha ate 3 pizzas, 4 of them with pepperoni, just like questions like that, not just like 2 + 4 = 6. What do you do with all those sentences and all those words to answer?
So first, I use my notebook to first. So first, if I don't know this question, if Maya, Addie, and Summer gets 3 pizzas, so I said Addie, Maya, and the Summer gets 3 pieces. How many pieces is in all? So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So we make chart to collect data. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 times 3 = 9.
Okay, very good. So you already know how to read a problem, get the important information, and then we have read about different graphs that we can make, right? Or charts. So we can make the one you made, the tally chart. Do you remember other ones that we can do?
Well, the picture chart, or how do you call that?
Yeah, the pictograph, right?
Yeah, pictograph and others much.
Right. Yeah, you can do a bar graph, you can do, just pretty much anything that really helps you see things better. So here it says, you learned that scientists analyze data. Scientists collect information about sunrise and sunset in certain places. They use the data to figure out the number of daylight hours we have at different times of year. You can organize and analyze their data to draw conclusions too. Okay, so let's look at, this is the chart that they created, right? So they read a lot of, important information, and they decided to take the important stuff and just put it into this chart. So what 4 things are they looking at in this chart? Well, what's the title of it first? The title of the chart.
The title is Event, Sunrise and the Sunsets Data for Los Angeles, California.
Right, so average sunrise and sunset data. Okay, so that means how long is the sunrise and the sunset in LA? Okay, so they are measuring 4 things. So what 4 things are they looking at? The first one is month. And then the second is sunrise, sunset, and the approximate hours of daylight. Okay, so
what
here.
What is approximate?
Approximate is a synonym for estimate. So about how many? So if we look at all the months and we look at the time when sunrise happens, When is the earliest that sunrise comes out?
So the earliest is 5:52, which is May.
Right, very good. And the latest?
Latest is 6:59, which is almost 7 o'clock, which is almost when we have like class.
Right. Okay.